Hello, this is Aileen. I hope this PMP sample question helps you on your pursuit of your PMP credential. You are managing a very complex drug trial for a pharmaceutical company. You need to use a networking technique that allows for such features as probabilistic branching, network looping, multiple sync nodes, and multiple node realization. Most likely you will use, and I know a lot of words in this question. What might be some key words or phrases in this question?
Feedback loops.
Okay, so feedback loops.
Networking technique.
A networking technique, great. Okay.
Multiple outcomes.
Yeah, probabilistic branching, feedback loops, multiple sinkholes, multiple realization, meaning repeat events. Let's take just a few of these words and then we'll move on to the answers. So first we're looking at a networking technique, which means we're in the process of sequence activities. Probabilistic branching means in our network diagram, there's more than one way we might go, and they're based on probabilities. Looping means in our network diagram, we allow feedback loops, which means the network diagram looks like a flow chart. Multiple sync nodes means there's different ways the network diagram might end. An example, the drug trial might fail, and that would be the end of the network diagram, or it might succeed, and then repeat events. Most of these are not common terms. When you look at answer A, do you think we allow for these ideas in regular precedence diagrams?
No.
No.
Not all.
And if you don't understand all of the ideas, take an idea you understand. Take this idea of feedback loops. So precedence diagrams do not allow for feedback loops. What about arrow diagrams? Do they allow for feedback loops?
No.
No. Arrow diagrams are very simple. They don't allow for feedback loops. When we talk about the critical path method, the critical path method is not a networking technique. It's a technique when we develop the schedule to understand floats and durations. So answer C is wrong because it's not even a networking technique. Therefore, answer D is the only acceptable answer. Graphical evaluation review technique. Sometimes it's abbreviated GERT, G-E-R-T. So again, let's ask yourself, what did we learn or what was reinforced? What was reinforced maybe was this idea of GERT. It allows for probabilistic treatment. It allows for conditional statements. Let's look at my very simple diagram. Okay, so the first activity is we clean, or maybe you say we wash the dishes. And then we have a question, are the dishes clean? If they're clean, we put them away. If they're not clean, we soak them, we rinse them, we have this feedback loop, and again, we ask, are dishes clean? Most of our network diagrams do not allow for feedback loops, but GERT does. So GERT is not common. We would see it in very complex diagrams. Hello, Aileen here again. I hope this sample question helped you. For over 1,000 more sample questions similar to this one, please join our self-study program online with Aileen. Thanks.